Good morning students. Welcome back again to science classes of class 7. Today we are here to represent an activity, and the aim of our activity is the demonstration of clinical thermometer. Today by this activity we are going to observe a clinical thermometer, how this is work. So for this we are going to observe a clinical thermometer. This is also known as the doctor's thermometer. The thermometer that a doctor uses for measuring your body temperature, that is the clinical thermometer. The range of the clinical thermometer lies between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and if we measure this temperature in Fahrenheit scale, then it comes between the 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Now let us observe the diagram of a clinical thermometer. As you can see the diagram of the clinical thermometer, here are some words written. A clinical thermometer is mainly consist by a glass tube, and inside the glass tube there is a capillary tube, or we can say another small tube is present inside the glass tube, that is the capillary tube. One end of the glass tube is slightly narrow, which is known as the bulb, and inside the bulb the mercury is filled. Mercury is a metal which remain in liquid form at normal temperature, and that's why it is used for measuring the body temperature. And after that, here you can see a small constriction is present between the capillary tube, and this constriction is called kink. The function of the kink is this: hold the mercury level inside the capillary tube when we measure the temperature of your body temperature, and it does not allow the mercury level to fall down quickly, so that we can observe accurate temperature of our body. Now let us observe a real clinical thermometer. So student, this is a clinical thermometer or doctor's thermometer. You can see it is made from a glass tube, and you can see that some scales are printed over the thermometer. There are two types of scale are present. First is the Celsius scale, and another one is the Fahrenheit scale. The Celsius scale that is present over the thermometer is start from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. It means our body temperature lies between this range, and the next scale is between 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit scale. You can see the one end of this thermometer is narrow in shape, and this narrow structure is known as the bulb, and inside the bulb you can see a glittering material is filled. This glittering material is known as the mercury, which is a metal, and it rises above when the temperature of our body is reached to the mercury. And you can see that a small constriction is present here, and this constriction is known as the kink. As I have told you earlier, that this kink hold the mercury level upside, so that we can read accurate temperature of our body. So students, I hope now you are understood about the clinical thermometer and how does it work. Thank you for watching the video. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.